Hello and welcome back, dear students. Today is 3rd of August and yesterday you have started a new chapter, that is chapter number 21, volume, surface area, volume and capacity, that we have started yesterday, and we have also started the first exercise. Question number 1 is completed. Now we are moving to question number 2. All right, the first part, part 1. Before that, this formula we have learned yesterday. The volume of cuboid is given by length into breadth into height, and the total surface area for cuboid is given by 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, isn't it? So these two formulas, I hope you have learned it. We are going to apply out here. To part 1, the question says, let's read the question. The question says, okay, the volume of a cuboid is 3456 centimeter cube. If the length is 24, breadth is 18, find its height. Okay, the volume of a cuboid is this much given to us. Now we know the formula for volume of cuboid. It is length into breadth into height. Okay, given to us length is how much? 24, breadth is 18. We need to find height. Can we do? Yes, let's put the values. Length equals to 24. Okay boys, length is equals to 24. Breadth is equals to how much? 18. Breadth is equals to 18 into height is equals to 3456. Remember that the unit is centimeter cube. This side is centimeter cube, and here this is 24 centimeter, 18 centimeter, so it becomes centimeter square. Okay, all right, so height is equals to 3456. This height is equals to this divided by 24 into 18. I hope we are clear with this, why we are getting this. Yeah, right, let's cancel it out. I think so we can cancel with 6. Okay, 6 how many times? 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, then 45, 6 7s are 42, then 36, 6 6s are 36, and here you can easily cancel. 6 4s are 24. Further, with 6 is possible, yes. 6 3s are 18, 6 9s are 54, 55, 56, 57, 36. So 6 6s are 36. Okay, I think so we can cancel with 3 also. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and with 4 is again possible. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So therefore height is equals to 8 centimeter. I hope you're clear with this, everyone. So please pause the video and note it down properly. Okay boys, let's start. Let's go to another question, that is question number 2, part 2. It's very similar. Here also the volume of cuboid is given to us, 7.68 meter cube. Also given to us is length 3.2, breadth we don't know, height is 1.0. So 1.0 means 1. In this case we are asked to find the breadth. So what will I do? I'll write volume of a cuboid equals to this. Use the formula length into breadth into height equals to this. Put the value for length, put the value for height. So can I find the breadth? Obviously, breadth will be 7.68 divided by 3.2 into 1, which is going to be 3.2. So here we have decimal numbers. So let us convert into fraction first. 768, okay, divided by 100 and whole divided by 32 into divided by 10, because 2 decimal places, 1 decimal places. Here 0 0 gets cancelled out. So therefore I will be getting breadth is equals to 768. Okay, 768 into 1 is 768 divided by 10 into 32. So let us calculate now. 678 divided by 32. Okay, so I think so it's possible with 8, I believe. 8, okay, 8 9 is 72 and 40. Yes, it's possible. 8 4s are 32, and here 76. 8 9s are 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So 48. 8 6s are 48. Clear? And now this is possible. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 16. 4 4s are 16. So therefore breadth is 24 divided by 10, which is 1 decimal places, which will give you 2.4 meter, which is the answer. I hope you're clear with this, boys. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2 part 3. In the same way you'll do homework, we move to question number 3. In question number 3, the ratio of length is to breadth is to height is given to us. So the ratio of length is to breadth is to height is given to us as 5:3:2. So whenever the ratio is given boys, remember that we can always make an assumption. Let the ratio be length, let the length be 5x, breadth be 3x and height be 2x. We can always do this whenever ratio is given to us. Remember that we will be using the same unit, a quantity x, a same variable. Okay. Now after that, given to us is the volume. The volume of cuboid is 240 centimeter cube. Find the dimensions. Dimension means what is the length, what is the breadth, what is the height we need to find. Okay. So the volume of cuboid is given to us. Now we know the formula for volume of a cuboid is given by length into breadth into height, which is equals to 240. According to assumption, we have made the assumption let L equals to this, B equals to this, H equals to this. So L is my 5x, B is my 3x and H is my 2x, which is 240. Okay, let's multiply how much I am getting. 15 into 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30 and x into x into x is x cube, which is 240. So therefore x cube is equals to 240 divided by 30. So 0, 0 gets cancelled out. 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. Therefore boys, what I'm getting is I'm getting x cube is equals to 8. Now what I know is x cube is equals to 8 means 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube. Now since the powers are same, the bases will also be same. Okay, as the powers are same. So write down as the powers are same, it implies bases are also same. So what do I mean out here? Power is 3 3, then the base x should be equals to 2. So therefore x should be equals to 2. So the moment we got x is equals to 2, I hope you're clear with this boys. The moment x is equals to 2, I can find length, breadth and height if you put the value for x out here. Okay, so therefore your length will be, length is 5x, so which means 5 into 2 10 centimeter, breadth is 3x, 3 into 2 6 centimeter and then height is 2x, so 2 into 2 4 centimeters. So these are the dimensions boys, length, breadth and height. I want you all to pause the video and note it down till here. Alright, the question is also asking us to find the total surface area. So total surface area is given by the formula twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 times, put the values, length how much? 10, breadth is 6 plus 6 into 4 plus 4 into 10. So let's multiply. 10 into 6 60, 6 4s are 24, 4 10s are 40. So therefore 2 into 60 plus 40 is 100, 100 plus 24 is 124, and obviously it's area, so centimeter square. So you can multiply. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 248 centimeter square will be the total surface area of this cuboid. I hope you're clear with this boys. So please pause the video and note down properly. Alright boys, with this we come to the end of today's class. Do learn the formulas and complete question number 2 part 3 as homework. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Thank you and bye bye.